Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the power tool deals, the pro section. We do have a free circular saw, 36 volts Metabo. If you buy a nailer, they do come in a package at the end of this video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make pro tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First of all, we got this Toolbox 678. It's a 41-inch toolbox. The top 289, the bottom 389. So total of 678. It's really nice. It looks like it is the self-closing, or the soft closing. And then they got this one for $13.48. A little pricey, but it is a stainless steel. So if you want the premium, there you go. You got the Inferno torch. It's like a weed killer, you know, to burn up weeds for 48 bucks. So not too bad. Something to catch my eye. Then they got this, the heavy duty steel shelving. They didn't have the price on it, so if you guys want to know the price, feel free to check out on the online on the app. Then they got this compressor, the Craftsman compressor, for 99 bucks. And then they got the Dewalt for $99 impact driver. That's a really nice little set for the homeowner, for the DIY. Even if you're a professional prosumer, you know, pretty much light duty use and professional level. So, and then you got the impact driver, drill driver, for $149. Got a 26 piece for $19.98. Then they got the Kobalt, so $99 for that 267 piece. Looks like a homeowner's. Then they got this one, 227 piece, for 99 bucks with the drawers. It's a mechanics tool set. And they got this one for 99, which is the drill, 24 volts Kobalt. Then they got these floor mats, $39.98. Hardly any left. Looks like a really nice floor mat. Some stores are different. Some stores don't have any left. Some stores do. So it just depends. $19.98 for the outlet shelf. So I guess you can put like a Amazon Alexa or whatever, Echo Dot, or the Google thing. You can put it on that. $4.99 for the wireless light. So you got a 2-pack there, super bright switch. They seem very similar to the ones from Harbor Freight. So $10.98 for the 48-piece picture hanging light kit. I guess they're targeting DIYs with this kit here. 10 to 100. So picture framing kit there. Got a Lux Pro LED pop-up light with magnetic base. $7.97. They come in different colors. Then they got this one, which catch my attention, the Tribus Pro 5500 lumen for $29.99. It looks like you can connect it to a regular light bulb and get 5,000 lumens on it. So it's really interesting how you can get so much lumens. $19.99 solar powered LED light. Ever Ultra. And then you got $19.99 for the desktop phone mount. Looks really nice. We could use one of those in the office here, in the headquarters, the tool headquarters. You got a Torch Blue XL torch, so double XL. Not too bad. It looks pretty interesting, actually. It says that you could do like soldering and stuff like that. So. Do apologize for the camera. It's hard to do it with one hand, but there you go. You got a closer view there. Safety lock. It does have a safety lock in there. That's why I couldn't get it to go. You don't want people burning down the store here, or kids playing with that. You got a bionic spotlight, solar powered. No batteries, no wires. $19.99. I wonder how many lumen this thing has. If it's bright or not. Got the shop towels, the microfiber RC, $9.98. That's it right there, just on the bottom of that toy. Then you got the buy one get one free from Craftsman. So you buy that $99 battery kit, you get a free tool. Got $149 circular saw drill driver and a battery charger, a free tool, or the $199, which is reciprocating saw, drill driver, impact driver, light, 2 batteries. Got $9.99 for the jigsaw set with the case. And then you got a sander for $64. These are all battery powered, by the way. $59 for a light, and you got $59 for a fan. $49 for an angle grinder. Then you got that the $189 toolkit, which is a nice DIY kit. I believe they're not brushless tools, so just keep that in mind. Great for DIY. You got a jigsaw there. $9.99 for, or $9.98 for the 25 piece. Then $19.98 for that 21 piece, and then you got the reciprocating saw blades, which I do not recommend. Rather you go somewhere else. $79 for the reciprocating saw. Got the Kobalt XTR, 25% off. Yeah, they got some really great. I really like this line. If I weren't to invest it on the lines I'm already into, like the Milwaukee and the Dewalt, and I wouldn't be buying. I would definitely be buying on this line. This line's really nice. So you got a 4 amp hour, $99 for 2 counts or 2 batteries. You got an impact driver, $134 with a nice case, black case. You got a hammer drill for $149, and then you got a circular saw for $109, and a circular saw and a reciprocating saw. So that's the reciprocating saw. Everything comes in a nice case. That's the drill driver there. And then $17.98 for that 40 piece. And then $14.98 for that 100 piece. I do have that set. It's really nice. Got the Dewalt section. Buy one, get one free. The $279. Any of those power detect tools, get a free tool. Got 110 piece there. You got some, looks like some drill bits. Some 3.5 Phillips, and then you got the impact wrench for $199. Got a circular saw for $179 XR. So that's the brushless. $159 for the hammer drill. Looks like that $999. You got a $349 for hammer drill and impact driver with 2 batteries. That's the XR. You got the buy one get one free from Kobalt, the regular Kobalt. You got 2 batteries. 4 amp hour batteries for $149. You get a free tool. $16.98 for that titanium. Yeah, that's the nice. I ended up picking this up. I will be doing a tool review. That's a screw gun, a screw attachment for drywall. So I will be testing that out for you guys, hopefully soon. We got a 4-port charger there for $89. 4-tool combo kit for $199. If you want to call it that, because there's a light in there. You got a light for $69. Looks like a multi-material saw there for $99, or a circular saw. You got a sander for $79. You got an impact wrench for $99, a jigsaw for $119, router for $119, reciprocating saw for $129. Then these you got your choice, 2 for $99. You either got Dewalt 3 amp hour batteries. You got the Craftsman 4 amp hour batteries, or you got the Kobalt 4 amp hour batteries. So you got your choice there if you're in the line. This is the time to pick up batteries. Circular saw, 40 tooth and 24 tooth pack of 2, $14.98. You got $9.98 for the 27 piece rapid load bit set. It's a really nice set there. Well, with the rapid load, if you have one of the older drills, then you're going to be using that. You got some Phillips there and some squares. That's the rapid load bit there. You can just use it like the newer drills or newer impacts. $24.98 for the Flex Torque 40 piece screwdriving set. It's a really nice set. It does include some socket drivers there to the, socket drivers and nut drivers to the left. Got $12.98 for the nut drivers, 5-piece, and $19.98 for the right angle. It's a nice little set there. Wish it came with the little case. And we did do a kit there that we bought it with that right angle attachment for $14.98 on the Black Friday deals with the other big box store. We ended up getting that deal, which is way cheaper than that. So $9.98. You got a 30-piece. Then you got a 14-piece there. $9.98. Gold drill bit. So that's the black and gold. Not really a fan about those, but you know, if you're a DIY light duty use, it's fine. I personally like good quality bits. You know, I just hate, you know, them going dull for the smallest time. You know, changing those bits all, you know, very quick. So I like to stick with the titanium. And good brand, obviously. So you got buy a free battery if you buy one of those kits at the bottom. So you get not a free battery but a free tool basically. So and that $149 kit's already gone. Got $149 for that drill driver and impact driver, and with the hammer drill there to the right. That's a drill driver for 99 bucks. That's the hammer drill and the impact driver for $149 with the one battery. So it's a good deal. I mean, the batteries are fairly inexpensive. At least for Kobalt. $124 for the drill. And then you got that 4-tool combo kit for $199. That's the Kobalt XTR for $149. That's the hammer drill. That's the same one we saw earlier. This is just another section. Look at that tool. It really looks really nice. The black and blue, they ended up designing a great tool here. $109, and you see that switch there. That's for the oscillating cut there. If you want that blade to go up and down, I guess. Then you got the circular saw. Looks really nice. These look really good, like premium tools, like top dollar tools. You got the rafter hook there, so you can just hang it anywhere. And then I was looking at this. This is the Bosch screwdriver set. So $149. You get 4 attachments with it. It is the 12 volt, and it does come with the case, so like a little pouch. So $149, 1/4 flexi click 5-in-1 drill driver combo. That's the right angle attachment there. Looks you like gotta get into a small space or something like that. Got the drill there. Drill attachment, and then that's the like another, like, you know, if you're building cabinets or getting a screw near the edge and you can't get there, that's the screw gun you're going to be using, the attachments. So that's a really handy gun there to have. $99 for the one-handed reciprocating saw. And then we got this $99 for the drill driver or impact driver from 12 volts from Dewalt. So that's the older version, guys. So that's not the brushless. That's the older version. That's like a, if you were a DIY, if you want something with the Dewalt name, and obviously you're getting somewhat, well, actually good quality tools. But you know, they're not the latest and greatest. For 99 bucks, that's fine. And then you got the Extreme here for 99 bucks. Then you got $199 for drill driver or impact and impact driver. So for the 2 kits there. And then you got the Dewalt buy one get one free. So you buy any of those tools on the left, get one of those tools on the right. You got 45 piece for $12.98. Looks like really nice. You get a magnetic sleeve there and some bits. Got a dual port charger for 99 bucks, and then you got a light there for $99. Most of those tools you can get for free with that deal. So $99 for that Bluetooth speaker, $129 for the circular saw, and then you got the sander for $129. Got the fan for $119. You got the job site blower for $139. And then those are the kits, the $299 kits. Looks like a 3-tool combo kit with the nice oscillating kit. I believe it's an XR. So $19.98 for this. If you guys weren't here for that video, but I did manage to get a similar kit like this from Craftsman for $6. It's really nice. Check out that video. It's on my channel. So you got drill driver, impact driver, brushless tools for $149. I think that's a really good deal. Probably one of the better deals in the store. So be sure to check that out if you guys want to get into the Craftsman brushless. So you got reciprocating saw, $99, angle grinder, $99. You got a hammer drill there, $129. Then you got that kit that I was telling you guys, the brushless kit, $149, which is a great deal. With 2 batteries. You got the light for $119. And this is the Pro Zone, so I guess they're, once you get closer to the, the lumber department, then you're getting into the Pro Zone. You got the large floor tile mortar gray. $16.98. I will be putting some tile. Well, not me personally, but I will be, doing that in my house. I just like it to be perfect. I'm not really a tile person. I wish I could learn though. Maybe I'll do a couple of them. You got this is the nice bag. It's the tool combo kit with the backpack for $199. Backpack's really nice. 2 batteries, a charger. You got a one-handed reciprocating saw, and you got a drill. 12 volts. Looks really nice, the backpack there. Then you got the circular saw blades, 7 1/4, $8.98, and then you got $34.98 for the 10-inch combo pack, 2-pack for your miter saws, 10-inch. And then this, we did a video like about a month ago about these, really nice, $24.98 with the nice case. As you guys see there to the left, $32.98 for 3 pieces, and you're getting 4 to the right. So $24.98, that's a really good price for that. You got a 16-piece for $19.98, reciprocating saw, wood and metal. And you got this for $159, 4-pack. They ran out of these already, the 4-packs. They only got the 2-packs there for $129 and $79. So that's the 2-amp hour, which is not the 4-pack. I believe the 4-pack's already sold out. And then they got this $14.98 for the Dewalt wet and dry vacuum dust bag and filter. So separate. That's the. And then they had this deal, $2.99, Metabo HPT multi-bolt roofing combo kit. Regular price $607. You buy that nailer, you get that circular saw for free. So roofing combo kit essentials, 5.7 pounds. You know what, guys? Metabo HPT makes some great nailers. So if you guys are in the trades, make sure you guys get this bonus circular saw for free. You might still be able to get the free battery that they have. If you go to metabo.com to their website, you might be able to get that for free. So maybe you're able to get a second battery or an adapter for free. But you are getting the kit, the circular saw, the battery, and the charger with that nailer. So that's a really great deal. You got the spider for $99. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I know it's a long video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so you can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.